Alright students, now we're going to be making our graphs on a different program. Because they're not in Microsoft Word, we need to insert them from there. And the way we do it is we take a screenshot. So let's go to those programs. Let's check out our graphs. So now we're in our first one. I trust you guys can enter the data. The data tells you where it goes. The only weird thing to look at is here they want the number first and then the name. So they want Y data first, then the X, which is a little weird. Nothing happens until you hit graph data. Once you hit graph data and the bar chart, it'll set up your chart for you, and boom, you've got a wonderful chart. For the pie, very similar. I trust you guys to be able to enter your data same way as it was in the bar chart. A little bit weird. Update chart and it'll show you, boom, it looks good. You can see you got a table. It gives you value and percentages. So this is useful for finding out percentages. And our line plot update looks a little bit weird once we do it because our grid axes are messed up. So to fix this, we go to set window. Over here, we don't want our X-min to be that low. There's no reason we need to be any lower than 1994 because that's our lowest year. Our X-max doesn't need to be any higher than 2004, and we do not want it to choose our scale. We want to choose our own scale. Our Y, we can start it at $1, 1.00. Our X probably can finish at 215 because it ends at 210. And the scale, let's make 10 cents. And then we can set that, and we can see our graph. Now, we had to zoom out there because it's a little bit difficult to see. So if I zoom out a little bit, it'll let me go, but I want to be able to see all of my graph. That allows me to do it. So now I have all three of my graphs ready. Boom, boom. So I come back into Microsoft Word, I go to screenshot. Click down here, and it will show me what's in there. And it'll give me a screenshot of my bar graph. So make sure it's set up in the screen the way you want it, and then go to the bar graph. So now to get my pie graph, I need to change this page to pie graph, come back to Word, come out of this so I don't replace this image, go to Insert again, go to Screenshot, and then boom, I can get my pie graph. My pie graph is in as a screenshot of exactly what was on the screen. And let's get the line graph. We need to change it over here. Boom. Interactive scatter plot. Come back to Word. Come back in. Go to Insert. Screenshot. Boom. And our line plot is now there with all of the information that we had there. So that, guys, is how you graph those on a different program and then insert them in. You can see all three of them are here in screenshot form. Exactly the way I want you to do it. Have a great time.